That happens every now and then when there's lots of snow.
No, I can't wait.
Yeah, we can.
I can't wait, no.
We have to drive on
That's
to the other
amazing film. No, I'm talking about can't wait.
You can try walking through it, it'll probably be slippery again. The brakes get wet and then they won't work. Look at that.
What is that?
There's a pipe that goes under the lid.
Look at that.
It's going pretty good.